In the grand scheme of technological evolution, few initiatives have sparked as much intrigue and anticipation as the development of ChatGPT. Imagine a world where computers could understand and respond to human language as naturally as a human would. This isn't just a sci-fi fantasy, but a tangible reality in the making. This is the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, a field that has experienced unprecedented growth and advancement in the last few decades. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more revolutionary business stories that shaped our lives. With that being said, let's continue. In the era of the early 2000s, AI was still a budding concept, more of a pipe dream than a practical tool. However, this all started to change with the advent of machine learning, a subset of AI that gave computers the ability to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This breakthrough brought us one step closer to achieving the dream of creating machines that could understand and respond to human language. Fast forward to 2015, a pivotal year in the history of AI. This was the year when OpenAI was founded with a mission to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. Among its co-founders was an individual with a vision to change the world, Sam Altman. Sam Altman, a renowned entrepreneur and investor, was no stranger to the tech world. With experience leading Y Combinator, one of the most successful startup incubators, and investments in over 200 companies, including the likes of Airbnb and Reddit, Altman was a driving force in the tech industry. When he co-founded OpenAI, he brought with him an unwavering commitment to innovation and a vision for a future where artificial intelligence could be leveraged for the greater good. OpenAI marked a new chapter in the story of artificial intelligence, a chapter that promised a future where AI could understand, learn and respond in a way that was previously thought to be the domain of human intelligence alone. This marked the beginning of a journey that would revolutionize the way we interact with technology. The genesis of ChatGPT was not just the birth of a new technology, but the dawn of a new era. An era where technology doesn't just respond to our commands, but understands and interacts with us. This is the story of that journey, the story of ChatGPT and the visionary behind it, Sam Altman. At the heart of this groundbreaking initiative stood Sam Altman, a visionary with a deep-seated passion for technology and innovation. Sam Altman, a name that's become synonymous with technological innovation, is a force to be reckoned with. Born in the late 80s, Sam's entrepreneurial spirit took root early on. By the time he was in his 20s, he had already co-founded a location-based social networking company, Looped. In 2012, Looped was acquired for a staggering $100 million. A testament to Sam's knack for spotting and capitalizing on tech trends. But Sam's vision extended beyond just creating successful ventures. He wanted to shape the future. He saw the potential of artificial intelligence and was captivated by its possibilities. He understood that AI had the power to revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from healthcare to education, from transportation to entertainment. In 2014, Sam took over as the president of Y Combinator, one of the world's most successful startup accelerators. Under his leadership, Y Combinator nurtured many successful startups, including Dropbox and Airbnb, companies that are now worth billions of dollars. But for Sam, it was about more than just business success. He was building an ecosystem of innovation and entrepreneurship, a platform where the brightest minds could bring their visions to life. In 2016, Sam co-founded OpenAI with Elon Musk. His vision was clear. He wanted to democratize access to AI to ensure its benefits reached as many people as possible. He believed that artificial intelligence should not be concentrated in the hands of a few, but should be a resource for all. His vision was clear: to ensure that artificial general intelligence, AGI, benefits all of humanity. Sam understood that AGI had the potential to reshape our world, and he wanted to make sure that when it did, it would be for the betterment of all. This vision birthed ChatGPT, but that's a story for another scene. As we delve deeper into the genesis of ChatGPT, remember the man behind it, Sam Altman, a visionary, an innovator, and a true believer in the power of technology to change the world. In 2016, under Altman's guidance, OpenAI introduced the world to the initial model of ChatGPT. This marked a significant milestone in the journey of artificial intelligence. It was the dawn of a new era, where machines could understand and converse with humans in a way that was previously thought to be the domain of science fiction. The development of the first versions of ChatGPT was a painstaking process, a labor of love, if you will. The team at OpenAI, guided by Altman, used a machine learning technique known as transformer neural networks. This approach enabled the model to predict the next word in a sentence, making its responses sound remarkably human-like. It was a feat of engineering and a testament to the vision of its creators. The reception of these early versions of ChatGPT was nothing short of awe-inspiring. People marveled at the ability of this AI to understand context, generate creative responses, and even exhibit a semblance of humor. The AI industry stood up and took notice. ChatGPT was not merely an interesting novelty, it was a powerful demonstration of the potential of AI. It was a game changer, and it set the bar high for what artificial intelligence could accomplish. But the impact of ChatGPT extended far beyond the confines of the tech industry. It served as a catalyst for broader discussions about the implications of AI in our everyday lives. It sparked debates about ethics, about the boundaries between human and machine intelligence, and about the future of communication as we know it. The birth of ChatGPT was also a testament to the power of vision. Sam Altman's vision. It was his belief in the potential of AI, his willingness to push boundaries, and his relentless pursuit of excellence that turned this ambitious project into reality. His leadership, coupled with the hard work and creativity of the OpenAI team, was instrumental in bringing ChatGPT to life. Although impressive, this was just the beginning. The best was yet to come. The birth of ChatGPT was merely the first step in a journey that would continue to redefine the boundaries of artificial intelligence. It was a glimpse into a future where the lines between human and machine communication are blurred. A future that is being shaped by visionaries like Sam Altman. Over the years, ChatGPT has evolved, becoming more sophisticated, more intuitive, and more human-like in its responses. A journey of growth that has been nothing short of revolutionary. In the early days, ChatGPT was a budding idea, a prototype of what we see today. Its responses were simplistic and often lacked depth. But with each passing year, it learned, it evolved, and it matured. In the year 2019, a significant leap was made with the introduction of GPT-2. This was a model that was substantially larger and more powerful than its predecessor, capable of generating strikingly coherent and relevant text. The innovation didn't stop there, though. The developers at OpenAI were constantly pushing boundaries, always aiming for the next horizon. And then, in the year 2020, we witnessed the emergence of GPT-3. This was a game changer. GPT-3 was an order of magnitude larger than GPT-2, boasting a whopping 175 billion parameters. The results were astounding. The text generated by GPT-3 was so human-like, it was often indistinguishable from something a person might write. It could write poetry, draft emails, answer trivia, even create written content that was funny and engaging. But it wasn't just about the size and power of the model. With each iteration, ChatGPT was also becoming more intuitive. It was learning to understand context better, to craft responses that were not just relevant, but also nuanced and thoughtful. It was starting to feel less like interacting with a machine and more like conversing with a well-read, witty companion. This evolution of ChatGPT has been a testament to the vision of Sam Altman and the relentless dedication of the team at OpenAI. It's also a testament to the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning, and how these technologies are reshaping our world. Each update brought us one step closer to achieving true conversational AI. And with every step, we're reshaping the boundaries of what's possible, reimagining the future of human-computer interaction. So, stay tuned, because the journey of ChatGPT is far from over. It's a journey that's still unfolding, still evolving, and still full of exciting possibilities. Today, ChatGPT stands as a testament to the power of AI and the vision of Sam Altman. It's not just an AI model, it's a revolution that's changing the way we communicate, learn and work. Its capabilities have grown exponentially since its inception, and it's now adopted across a multitude of sectors, from education to customer service, from creative writing to programming assistance. ChatGPT's ability to comprehend and respond in a contextually appropriate manner has been nothing short of transformative. It's like having a digital companion that's always ready to engage in a conversation, share knowledge, or offer insights. This isn't just a tool, it's a catalyst that's propelling us into a future where AI and humans coexist and collaborate. In the realm of education, ChatGPT is playing a pivotal role, serving as an interactive tutor that's available 24/7. It's helping students understand complex concepts, encouraging them to ask questions, and fostering a learning environment that's personalized, interactive, and engaging. Businesses, too, are reaping the benefits of ChatGPT. It's providing customer service that's prompt and efficient, handling queries round the clock, and offering solutions that are accurate and effective. It's revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers, delivering a customer experience that's seamless and satisfactory. Creatives are finding an ally in ChatGPT as well. It's assisting writers in overcoming writer's block, suggesting ideas, and even helping generate initial drafts. For programmers, it's proving to be an invaluable assistant, offering code suggestions and debugging help. The impact of ChatGPT is far-reaching and profound. It's not just a testament to the power of AI, but also a testament to Sam Altman's vision. His belief in the potential of AI to change lives has been validated by the success and widespread adoption of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has truly redefined the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of AI. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. And as we move forward, we can expect even more exciting developments and innovations from the world of AI, spurred on by visionaries like Sam Altman. As we look to the future, the vision of Sam Altman continues to guide the way. Altman's vision is not just about creating sophisticated AI technology, but also ensuring that its benefits are shared by all of humanity. He envisions a future where AI is democratized, where its power and potential are not confined to a select few, but are available to everyone, irrespective of their location or resources. Altman's vision for OpenAI and ChatGPT is grounded in the belief that artificial intelligence should be used for the benefit of all, and not enable uses that harm humanity or unduly concentrate power. He continues to emphasize the importance of long-term safety and is committed to doing the research required to make AI safe and to driving the broad adoption of such research across the AI community. A significant part of Altman's future plans revolves around pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. He aims to extend the capabilities of ChatGPT, making it more useful and more capable of understanding and responding to user needs. His goal is to create an AI that can understand, learn, and improve from every interaction, ultimately creating a tool that can genuinely help people in their everyday lives. But what truly sets Altman's vision apart is his commitment to ensure that AI is a shared benefit. He has pledged that any influence OpenAI obtains over AGI's deployment will be used for the benefit of all, and to avoid enabling uses of AI that could harm humanity. Altman is also deeply committed to cooperation. He sees a future where OpenAI actively cooperates with other research and policy institutions, creating a global community working together to address the global challenges of AGI. In essence, Altman's vision for the future of AI is one of collaboration, safety, and shared benefit. It's a future where AI is not just a tool of the powerful, but a technology that empowers everyone. Under Altman's leadership, the future of AI looks brighter than ever. His vision presents a roadmap that ensures AI benefits all of humanity, and his dedication to making this vision a reality is what truly sets him apart. The journey of ChatGPT is a tale of innovation, perseverance, and visionary leadership. It's a chronicle of a dream that sprouted in the mind of Sam Altman and bloomed into an AI revolution. From its genesis to its evolution, every step has been a testament to the boundless potential of artificial intelligence. Through the course of our narrative, we've witnessed the birth of ChatGPT, its growth, and the milestones it has achieved today. We've also explored the unwavering vision of Sam Altman, a visionary committed to making the future brighter, one AI innovation at a time. This tale is not only about technology, it's about the human spirit, about daring to dream and having the courage to turn those dreams into reality. Don't miss out on any of our in-depth stories about the world's most revolutionary businesses and their founders. Subscribe now and join our community of aspiring innovators and entrepreneurs seeking inspiration and knowledge. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to get alerted on the latest videos so you too can build your path to greatness.